most important principles of the Indian Contract Act is, if there is no knowledge of an offer, then there is no acceptance for the same. And Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt is a landmark judgment in this aspect that says, if you are not aware of the offer that is being made, your acceptance holds no value in the eyes of law, and it will not be called as a valid contract. The essence behind this case is, whenever an offer is being made, then you should be aware of the same. And if you are not, then your acceptance holds no value in the eyes of law. Now in this case, what happens is, there is a man whose nephew goes missing, and then he asks his servant to go and find him. The moment they go out in search of the nephew, this man makes an announcement that whoever finds my nephew will get a reward of ₹500. Now one of the servants finds him, and later on when he gets to know about that offer, he immediately rushes to his master in order to claim his reward. But now his master denies the same. Why? Why is the question. Now in this case, it was held that since the servant was not aware of the offer at the time it was made, it is not a valid contract and there is no valid acceptance for the same. And hence the master was not held liable. So Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt is a very important case that highlights the importance that whenever an offer is being made, it has to be within the knowledge of the person to whom it is made. Otherwise, it will not be called as a valid contract. So this was all about this case, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and good luck.